left and love the lion foot and the go so sha la 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 la. Love the lion foot and the go so sha la 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 la. Love the lion foot and the go so sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Lion Foot TV. Are you the whole world of priest? Don't say that. Yo yo.
I just like send a little message tonight to a lot of the vloggers them that we have online now.
One bumbo clad king and a cartel, yeah.
People production.
Vlog and the go, me a vlog and the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line, so hope all is blessed. And as usual, my spiritual friends all in the best of health and wealth of wealth, and your health is your wealth. So I'm going to take care of it, you know. Yes, man. Eat right, drink right, think right, do the right thing. Help someone if you can, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, you see it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. So I say, big up everybody man on the platform. Yes, man, you don't know, Kana, son, big up yourself, brother. RIP to your mommy again. Is him RIP to Tabby Diamond, you know. Yes, condolences to the families and his band members, you know, Mighty Diamond. We say we living in a serious time. Make the table blow your mind. Time is so serious, contagious and dangerous. You see me? Yeah, man. Give thanks to life, you know? Yes. Some viewers and subscribers right now sleep and kill me. You see me? But I don't know if I do the work or the promotion. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man. A brand new song of our name, Insecurity. Because you know, we have pile up the work, them, you know. Pile them up so them know the future holds, you know. Set it for the youth, them, you see me? Then the offspring, them can carry on the trend when we gone, you see it? Yes, man, so don't know. But in another episode of my viewers and subscribers, follow Beenie man got styled as old artist and wanna be king, wives got the king. By this member, I don't know him still, but I don't know if he's an artist. You see me? So I'm gonna make an ear go on. Also, Just Chris. Like him find it right now. Yeah, man. Father God alone. See? World premiere. From Boom Boom, big up Boom Boom, Harry Hype, Uptown Mondays, as I say. And also Queen Ifrica has some valid, solid message questions to ask from the vloggers and also their fellow Jamaicans, citizens. Yes, so I don't know the routine, you know. We are forward.
Two bad artist at work.
Who turned up at this school gate? Beenie don't show me money. Sometimes she turn up me.
Lion Foot TV. Real
Mommy, up in Mexico. Somebody said, see. And when the young place go to the concrete, now me come with your mind. I'm gonna love you, but you're the super lover and see the end of time. I'm so glad you're mine. Because you sound like you were giving this.
They don't know Lion Foot TV and they got
Into your body, your body, into your Yes, welcome back. Thanks for staying. If you're still here, that shows you care. As I said, don't forget to like and share. As I mean, why so we keep everything real on the back of you. Yes, yeah, man, big up everybody, man. Yes, man. The freestyle is, I mean, I read that scale, my brother, you know? Yeah, man, with our virgin birthday bash last week, Saturday. It's a great moment, you see me? Yes, man. You see, actually, burn up the fire stick. You see me, and I get forward. That we like, you know? We just want the opportunity for you there perform, you see me?
You must have promoters on the link up if you want energy, you know, on the show and performance and so link up. See? Big up Team Plexi promotion. Straight. You see what I'm saying? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So first and foremost, you know, boom 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 sound the Beenie Man, they take the mic and address boom boom and RIP say I bear them a mash up the business and things. So me did give my little 2 pence on it as well, but right now we get that video, yeah. With a general, yeah, style up Beenie Man. So here we go on.
Some all man artists that come try hold on news about them a king. One bumbo flat king and a cartel, yeah. And some man who not talk about all king when they leave a bus na youth and some pussy. And I come talk about king.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, and here we go on. So, well, he never call Beenie Man name, but I don't know, if black and white, I know say Beenie Man attack anyway. For them mention king, but I'm a king, and the man a king, and one king and a Vibes Cartel. He also said Beenie Man a whole artist, now but never bust nobody. You see me? And, you know, let me know if you think him rude or out order, or him attack facts or sense. And I say, but you must be careful, because remember, Daddy one did try size up and then end up get boxed down. Yes, big up Daddy one see me. As I say, yes, my viewers and subscribers. So let me know anything about that. But I just Beenie Man. I say I want to kick on a Vibes Cartel. See? Yes, so viewers and subscribers. Moving on now, Just Chris. Zine, on my bridging I say ring ding 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 Zine. Yes. So the first time we met Just Chris over Jetstar in England, the man in Gappy Ranks, the man all of them over there. You see me? Redman. Bring me EP, go over there, and Mr. Palmer tell me, say, yo, this song then sound good, right, good, but you're young. Them time me just start the business, you see me? 07. You see me, I say? And yeah, Mr. Palmer, the owner for Jetstar, tell me, say, you need to go back to Jamaica, man, go build up your confidence and your voice and everything. But the song them sound good, the song them good. Him like the song them, but me not ready yet. Nobody don't know me. That advice him gave me, you know. So somebody did meet Just Chris and things. So boom, bang, bang, fast forward now. 09, 010, because I jump to Jamaica and end up at Big Ship. Zine. End up at find Big Ship and there I go and ends out, you know. Meet Freddie and Steve and them and buck up Just Chris up there again. And Just Chris I said, let them know, so him know me. You see me? Yeah, man, so. I me sing the song Can't Take It No More. And that song there, Mama Ellie's Kelly, the first song she ever played for me. You see me? Can't Take It No More than Oh Mama, you see me? Yes, man, so big up Just Chris. Me see Just Chris, me in a long time I shoot and I do him things, so right now come like him find it. You see me? I say, I love to see that because in the Jamaica good while I do music. You see me? You see it, man, left England and Jamaica pushing music. You see it, and him still down there and see it appear right now. You know what I mean? Sometimes I feel like if me stay and still down there, maybe me don't get my breakthrough as well as it. Because I did have the big song, Who Feels It Now, 2018. You know, 2 years, I did almost 2 years and nearly get the breakthrough. You see what I say? So Just Chris, I can find it right now. Father God alone, so here I go.
That's a Just Chris, man. Find it.
Yes, man, the song sound good and the rhythm sound good too. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man.
I ain't got to do it from me now. Ring ding 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 ding. Pull up. Ring ding 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 ding. Just Chris from England, man. They're British in England, bro.
You telling me,
yeah,
fam?
I'm British, bro. I read book me and all over the world.
Me, fam?
I never know anyone you want to go and go. Telling all the world how big and Joe is going to be like a Joe. Just Chris, I never know how you play. I'm not slaughter. Big up the G.
Yeah, boom boom, world premiere. You see?
We have a bunch of pipe number. Oh my God! Oh my God! Why worry when she alive?
So big up boom boom, same way again. bust the song them, you see me? For them get money or not, you see me I say? Big up Boom Boom CM with the voice of the street. Yeah man, I do the thing man. So just Chris, first time I hear the song, I say, yeah man, the song yeah, sound good enough, the rhythm, you know, the instrumental, you know. I know we have the years and we know it song, you see me? Bad song, good song. Yeah. So yeah, Boom Boom tell us the song bad. And right now the song of a boss, you know, if you ask. So big up just Chris. As I say, brother, yes man, I'm proud of you man and I'm happy for you. Big up IAP CM to General B. Yeah, because IAP up on the ground now, I do the work too. You see, my viewers and subscribers, I don't know, probably see the love, you know, and the strength to help strengthen the thing and show the support. You see me? Yes, man. Don't watch you now do for you, just do what you for do. You see me? For others. Yes. You see what I'm saying? I'm saying it again. Don't watch who now do for you, just do what you for do for others. Yes, man. Zine. Alright, my viewers and subscribers, big up Just Chris. Now, Queen Ifrica, big up Muma. You see me? Queen Ifrica, I met Queen Ifrica 2007, 8. Abajana introduced me to them. Zine, Fire Look, big up. Music that Tony over there, but them here eat live food. Them chef was a white man, I don't remember his name. Live food. You see what I say? Yes man, that's why I'm going to eat live food. I know them good and remember me still. Queen Ifrica would remember me. I say, because I used to beat me terrible and things. You see what I say? Yeah man, so you're Queen Ifrica for yourself.
I just like send a little message tonight to a lot of the vloggers them that we have online now that seem to be breaking news left, right and center. I just want to have them check how much you love this little island here. If you really love Jamaica for true, or you love views for true, you know? And all the people who coming in say them love Jamaica. Wanting to start prove to Jamaica people say you love them for true. And another piece of land where we have down here. It's not the piece of land you love. Why you sit down and watch Jamaica people kill off themselves and the people them who really want help and really know what to do. You shun them and push them aside. I just want to say to Jamaican people that the devil pitched tent down here and is ready to go. You see, all of those people who know say God live and know say there's a God, you no need to come a God right now. Because we are come for Jamaica is not the new Jamaica that our Prime Minister is talking about. Yes, it's going to be a new Jamaica. But it's going to be a Jamaica full of zombies that are just going to look at what's happening to our young people. What are we doing as a people? Who is facilitating this murder down here? We know. Why are you shunning and locking down the voices that want to speak for the people? Why are you doing it? And Jamaican people, where are you? Well, no dead. No dead off. Is the new Jamaicans them down here now? Is the anything goes Jamaican down here now? Is God no matter no more? Jamaicans down here now. Me want somebody tell me, Wagwan in a Jamaica, where are the sleeping giants? The legacy that we have as a people, what happened to it? You tell me, say, me senile, something wrong with me. Something wrong with people like myself who say none of these people in authority don't want the people who killing them one another to stop. They want them to kill out them one another, clear out the place, let in the new Jamaican them, and everybody is supposed to live happily ever after down here, because down here now is the new Sodom and Gomorrah, bar none, anything goes. Jamaica, the legacy.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Why, Queen Ifrica, I can tell she feel it. And she's a voice of the country, you know. And she always stand up for right, truth and rights and justice. As well as a little upon injustice and the government and all of them things. So she get a lot of fight because she does those stuff, you know what I mean? She always a stand up, so she get a lot of fight. You see me? But she asked the question, you see me? I said, when are we gonna wake up? You see me? And see how the country, I don't know right now, be a people crime get out of hand. It cool long way there. In February, it cool long and now it gone up back again. See them, and the next entertainer gone. Mighty Diamond gone, died by the hands of the criminals them. You see me? I say so. I don't want to think about what Queen Ifrica is saying and asking, you know. Are we gonna wake up before or wait till it's too late? Because right now, most of the people are dead, she say right now. They might kill off them one another, the government I watch it, but they kill off them one another and then who will come in the score. Let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know. You see, that was a quick update from Lionfoot. You see me I say? Yeah, man, and you see me can tell history of my experiences within the music industry from the start. Yeah, man. I've been around, you know, so I don't know. It's never too late for a shower rain. See, that's it. We just go and do it. You see me? Big up all of my fans and big up all of my loyal subscribers and viewers. If you're not subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Yes, my father got alone. And then help the channel grow. A Lionfoot with another vlog. I gotta do it when I boss now, brag. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell before you go, so you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.